Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Equalizer and how to find it. Let's begin. So we are on our Samsung S25, Galaxy S25. All we have to do is just go to Settings, go to Sounds and Vibration, scroll all the way down, go to Sound Quality and Effects. We don't have to allow it. And here we have our equalizer. And here we can bump up or bump down certain frequencies. But if we don't know how to do that, because if we press custom, we can just basically do whatever we want here. But if you don't know really how to use it, you can always use one of the 6 presets. So this is just balanced. This is for bass boost. This is for something smooth. This is for something more dynamic. This is for something clean and precise. And this is from treble boost, which is apparently good for instrumental. But I am a normal man and I will just click balanced. And that's all for this video. If you found that helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.